A question we are often asked is, why must all homeowners be in attendance for our design consultation? Hi, I'm Elijah, Regional Sales Manager and Design Consultant for Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. With 70+ years in service, we've learned that decisions about style, budget, and function work best when everyone who will live with the result is in the room and a part of the conversation. Since our products are custom made, we need to hear from everyone involved so that we can fully understand preferences, priorities, and expectations. Even small details such as grid style, hardware finishes, operating choices, or budget trade-offs can dramatically affect the final outcome. Having all decision makers present ensures clarity from the outset and reduces risk for both parties. Ultimately, aligning early makes the process smoother and faster. Questions are answered on the spot, decisions are finalized during a single visit, and we avoid back and forth communication or reworks. Bringing all decision makers to the first appointment sets your project up for perfection. Our consultants bring decades of know-how to your home, clarifying options, tailoring solutions, and mapping a smooth path from estimate to installation. We look forward to helping you get your project started and can't wait to show you how we can improve your home. If you're ready to get started, schedule your free in-home estimate today and see how effortless the perfect project can be.